Hello guys, it's me here again, Chicken Natural Remedies. If you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys the strongest fat burner. This smoothie guys is so amazing. This smoothie will flush away bad fat and get you in shape. So if you want to know how to prepare this juice, just keep on watching. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. The first thing we need is our pineapple. I'll start by cutting the pineapple. Remember not to throw away your pineapple peel. We are going to use it for something else. Just keep on watching. Show you how to use your pineapple peel. So just keep on watching. Or I'll just make a separate video for it. So after this video it will be coming up. Just watch out and see what you can use your pineapple peel to do. Nothing is wasted in this pineapple. Nothing. So right now I'm putting the pineapple inside the plate and I'll just store it in my freezer. So just keep on watching. I'll show you guys how to use this pineapple to just lose weight. This pineapple peel to lose weight. Okay? Maybe the video will be coming up after this one. So just watch out. So after watching it, you would never throw away your pineapple peel any longer. You can store it in your freezer. That's how I do my own. For my pineapple, I'll just store the pineapple peel inside the freezer. So anytime I want to use it, I'll just go there and just pick it up and use it. Nothing is wasted in this pineapple. So make sure you watch to the end because I'll be telling you guys how to drink this for better results. Okay? So guys, I'm making use of half of this pineapple. I'm making use of this one. Cut it and add it straight to the plate. Just add it straight to the plate. So this is the pineapple. I'm gonna set it aside. The next thing we need is our ginger. That's the next thing we need, ginger. So I'm gonna cut it. I'll make use of this one. Guys, you can never go wrong with ginger. I'm cleaning off the back of the ginger. You can never ever go wrong with ginger. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's add everything to the plate. I'll be making use of one lemon. So I'll squeeze the lemon. Guys, this smoothie is gonna keep you in shape. You know, it will make you not to add weight. It will reduce that fat that doesn't want to go. That's the essence of this. So right now I'm gonna set it aside and I'll bring my blender to blend all. So right now I'm gonna add the pineapple and the ginger. So first of all, I'm gonna add just 1 cup of water to it. So right now I'm gonna turn it into my cup. So guys, right now I'm gonna bring the lemon and I'll add the lemon into it. Then the next thing I'm gonna add right now is apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna use this apple cider vinegar. If you have the other apple cider vinegar, it's okay. This is organic apple cider vinegar, the German product. So you can go ahead and use the one you have. So I'll add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into it. Guys, this is yummy. Yummy. It tastes so good. Just try it and it will just burn out that fat that doesn't want to go. It tastes so good. Honestly, just give it a try. Tastes so good. So I'll just add it to my cup. Let me just sip. Wow. Guys, it tastes so good. Just go ahead and make your own and enjoy it. Just what you need to just maintain that shape. Honestly, it works so well. That belly fat that doesn't want to go, gonna melt down the fat and give you curl shape and make you to just stay in shape. It works so well. Just drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Drink it without eating. Just drink it on an empty stomach. Then after dinner, you go ahead and drink it again. You will see how your skin will just glow, and you know, you will keep in shape. It will, you know, brighten up your complexion and make you to look beautiful. So guys, here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.